I appreciate everybody. Contact us if you have any questions. I can send you our Lineworker safety tool competence workshop. It's about 8 pages long, and you can take that workshop, you can use it, you can edit it, you can take it and use it for yourself, or you could design something to where we come out and we do it. I would highly encourage you all to have that workshop curriculum, because it would help your curriculum, no matter how your curriculum is worded and no matter what you all train. Because what we need to start training is right there. Thank you all. You all have a good day. Be blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.